I'm Dan Tabor, Tabor's Woodworking. We're out of Northeast Maryland. We have a sawmill, so we cut and dry our own lumber and make wooden trucks. Um, we're getting more detailed with some of them. We're trying to make them look like the truck. We're trying to catch some of the fallen flag companies. We have Yellow. We have Consolidated Freight. Um, we'll do custom orders. If somebody wants something custom made, we'll definitely try and fill the bill for that. Um, here's a Western Star. Just kind of shows some of the detail. They can be shelf toys or they can be toys. They're still built rugged enough that, parts aren't going to break. You're not going to lose a mirror or a door or anything like that. It's a fun hobby. Everything's hand painted. It is painted. We try not to paint too much. We want the wood to do its own talking. If anybody wants to contact me to have something made, 443 350 4915. And I appreciate you stopping in.